So in this tutorial, let me show you how to be able to render an image from Blender. First, click on the icon on the top right to enable Render Preview. Now let's go into the render properties by clicking on this icon. Here we can choose what kind of render engine we would like. We can choose Cycles, Eevee, Workbench, or even a dedicated engine. Cycles allows us to correctly compute the light's conditions. We can then make a few changes that we would want in the render properties. Have a play around and see which one goes best for you. Now let's go into the camera's perspective. Let's click on the third icon on the right side. This enables us to be able to see the camera's perspective. Now press N and click on View. Now let's enable Camera to View selection. This should allow us to be able to manipulate the scene from the camera's perspective. Now let's click on Render on the top left and click Render Image. Depending on how fast your computer is, you should be able to see a rendered result. Once that the render is complete, click on Image and then Save As. Now click Save As Image. Now there you go. You have now successfully rendered an image from Blender. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe.